This was how to make pancakes, Drew.
Scoop it. Here, you hold the cup. Okay. Scoop here. You want to pour it into your cup? Okay, you hold the cup right here. Hold the cup. This is how you make pancakes, Drew. Okay, now pour that in there, in the bowl. Okay, let's do another cup. Tell them, say, Drew, you have to mix it in a bowl first. Say, I'm going to do a little more because I'm 3 today. Say it.
I'm a little free today.
All right, Sean Patrick, now you're going to hold your cup. I'm going to pour some milk. Hold your cup over the bowl.
Just how these clothes all got left outside.
What did?
All their clothes from yesterday.
Uh-oh. Now we gotta do
I need my towel.
Now we gotta do the eggs.
I need a towel. Is it dry? Is it dry?
It's dry.
Who's
Your
saying?
baseball towel.
Daddy, no, I have 2 towels.
All right, Drew. Now
You have eggs in there.
now you gotta mix them. Say, Drew, now you mix it. Tell him. Here. Mix. Say, then you pour it in the pan, Drew. Tell him. Tell him.